Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Chadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 8 maths. And our chapter is square and square root. Okay. Student, you know what is square? What do you mean by square of any number? So, if we want to talk square of any number, when a number is multiplied by itself, okay, when a number is multiplied by itself, the product so obtained is called square of a number. For example, if you multiply 1 into 1, then you can say that 1 into 1 is equal to 1, that is 1 square. Okay. What do you mean by 2 into 2? 2 into 2, that is 4, means 2 square. You can write it 2 square. Okay, means 2 to the power 2. Okay. What do you mean by square? स्क्वायर का मीनिंग होता है जब आप उसी नंबर को उसी में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन यू गेट अ स्क्वायर ऑफ दैट नंबर. ओके, 3 into 3, that is 9, or you can write it 3 square. 5 into 5, similarly 5 into 5 is equal to 25, that is 5 square. The square of an even number is even. See here, 1, 3 is odd number. Okay, 1, 3 and 5 is odd number. So square of odd number is always odd number. Okay, you can get 25. 5 square of 5 is 25. Square of 3 is 9. Okay, so but square of 2 is 4. If you get a square of 8, that is 64, it is always even number. If you square, the square of an even number is even, and square of an odd number is an odd number. The square of a number is the number multiplied by itself. Remember? Okay, the number is called the base, and it is multiplied by itself only once, means its power or index is 2. That means a into a, the number is a, and you have to multiply by a. So a into a, that is a square. So here base is a and power is 2. Understand? Okay, so this type you have to write square of any number. Okay, so student, the square of a number is the product of number with the number itself. Okay, square number and with, see, if you square the numbers, means if you square the numbers 1 to 20 or 1 to 10 in your book, next page it's given square of 1 to 20. See here, if you see the square of 1 to 20, see here, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. What is the square of 4? Square of 4 is 16. What is the square of 5? Square of 5 is 25. Okay, square of 6, that is 36. Square of 7, that is 49. Square of 8 is 64. Now let's see what is the similarity. See here, if you square 1, then you get 1. Okay, in one's place. If you square 11, then you get 121. Okay, that is square of 11. Okay, if you multiply 21 into 21, you get 441. See, when you multiply the number and with 1, then your square is also end with 1. Understand? If you multiply, if you you are finding square of any number which is ending with 1, then your square is also end with 1. Understand? Remember these things, because it is very important property of square. Okay, always remember, when we square any number, there is some sequence are there. Okay, when you square 1, then you always get 1 on one's place. Okay, means the square of that number is always end with 1. Okay, understand? So if you square of 1, then square of 1 is 1, square of 11 is 121. What is square of 21? 21 into 21, that is 441. Understand? Similarly, if you square of 31, 41, then you get, always remember, whenever you square that number, always you get the number which is end with 1. Understand? Okay. Similarly, if you multiply 31 into 31, then you get 961. Okay, see here, it's the number 31 is end with 1, then also its square is end with 1. Okay, similarly, if you multiply 41 into 41, what you can get? 1681. Okay, it's also end with 1. So what is the property of square? If you square of 1, or if you square of the number which is end with 1, then you get a square number ending with 1. Okay, understand? Let's see some more property. If you see the square of 1 to 20, see the square of 1 to 20. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4. So what is the sequence? Square of 2 is 4, so square of 12 is 144. See here, what is the similarity? When you square the number which is end with 2, your answer is also end with 4. Okay. Now, first of all, we can see that which number is the same. 1, 6 and 0. 1, 6 and 0. When the number is end with 1, 6 and 0, you can get the answer with end with same number. Means if you square of 1 or 11 or 21 or 31 or so on, so your answer means your square number is always end with 1. Okay, and when you square with 5, then your answer is always end with 5. Okay, when you square with square of 6 means the number which is end which having one place is 6, then your answer is ending with 6. Okay, see here, 6 square means 6 into 6, that is 36. 16 into 16, that is 256. Okay, and if you get 36 into 36, then what can you get? What is your answer? That is 1296. Okay, and some more, 46 into 46, what you get? You get 2116. Okay, understand? So this is the sequence. Okay, so when the number is, first of all see the number. If you have to square any number, the number is always, square number is always end with 1, 4, 9, 6 and 5. 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. Okay, understand? See here, study the square number in the above table. What are the ending digit? That is the digit in the unit place of the square numbers. All these numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 at unit place. None of this number end with 2, 3, 7 or 8 at unit place. So what you learn? If in a question any square number is given and if the question is this, it is a square number, so you can easily find. If there is 22, 22 is not a square of any number. Okay, if there is 33, 33 is also not a square number. Okay, if there is 47, then it is not a square of any number. Okay, so whenever the number end with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it is not a square of any number. Okay, remember this thing. And whenever the number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, it it is possible it is a number square of a number, but not confirmed, because the 10 is the number which is end with 0, but it is not a square of any number. Okay, understand? 21 is always end with 1, but it is not a square of any number. Understand? So it is possible it is a square of any number. Okay, but if the number end with 2, 3, 7 and 8, it is not possible. It is not it having no square. Okay, understand? And see one more thing. If we square 1 and 9, so we can get the number which is end with 1. See, 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. Okay, 11 square is 121, 19 square is 361. Whenever you square a number ending with 1 and 9, you can get always the number, square number end with 1. Okay, or you can say that if you can say that this type 1 plus, and you can remember this thing, 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, and you can get 1's place at 1. Then you can see this 2, whenever the number end with 2, you can get 4. Okay, and whenever the number end with 8, you can get 4. So you can remember this 2 plus 8, that is 10, end with 4. 3 plus 7, again 10, and with 3 3s are 9, and 7 7s are 49. Okay, then 4 plus 6, always end with 6. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 6 6s are 36, and 5 you can get 5, and 0 you can get 0. Okay, so remember these things. Okay, understand? So when you square a number, any number, the square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. Means, what is the square? What is the meaning of square? Square is when a number is multiplied by itself, we say that the number is squared. Okay, in other words, when a number is raised to the power 2, we can say that the number is squared. If x is any number, the square of x is represented by x into x, that is x square. Okay, understand? So remember this thing, the square of a number is the number multiplied by itself. In general, if x is any number, then x into x, that is x square, represent the square of the number. Understand? Okay, so this is the square of a number, and the square number always end with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Okay, understand? Square number is always end with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Okay, understand? Now, so student, it is very interesting. Whenever you square any number, it is always end with 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Okay, and if the number end with 2, 3, 7 and 8, it is not an square of any number. Okay, understand? So if there are some numbers, can you say that whether the following number are perfect square? How do we know? 1057, the number end with 7, so it's not a perfect square. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, it's not a perfect square because it's end with 3. 7, 9, 2, 8, it's also not a perfect square. Okay, see here, it's end with 2. It may be a square of any number. It may be, it's possible. Okay, but not sure. Now 1069, it may be a square of any number. Understand? Same here, 2061, end with 1, so it may be the square of any number. Understand? So now see this here. See the number and the square of that number. Okay, up to 50. Now here one more interesting thing. What is interesting thing you see? When number end with 1 0, its square has 2 zeros. Okay, when number end with 1 0, its square has 2 zeros. When number end with 2 zeros, its square has 4 zeros. Okay, and when the number has 3 zeros, then its square has how many zeros? 6 zeros. Okay, square number can have only even numbers. Okay, understand, of 0 at the end, even number of 0 at the end. So student, you understand? Hence, when a number is multiplied with itself, the product is called the square of that number. Okay, understand? A natural number is called a perfect square or a square number if it is the square of some natural number. Okay, if I told you 4 is the natural number, square of the perfect square, then you can say yes, 4 is a perfect square number, but 30 is not a perfect square number. Okay, but 21 is not a perfect square number. So this type you have know what is perfect square. Perfect square means ऐसा नंबर जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर हमें परफेक्ट, जिसका हम फैक्टर्स करें तो हमें सेम नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो. जैसे सपोज 81, you can write 81 9 into 9. Okay, so 81 is a perfect square of 9. Okay, so 81 is a perfect square number. Okay, if I told you 25, so you can write 25 5 into 5. So you can say that 25 is a perfect square number. Okay, means if you get prime factorize of that number, then you get in pair. Okay, the number in pair, then it is called perfect square number. You can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 2 and 2. Okay, so you can say that if two pair of 3 are prime factor of 81 and no other factor is left, hence 81 is a perfect square number. Understand? If we told about 144, then you can, if you factor of 144, that is 7 2, now again 3 6, now again 2 1 8, now again 2 9. ओके, सो 9 को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 and 3. सो आपको कितने मिले? 2 into 2, 2 pair of 2 and 1 pair of 3. No other factors. Okay, so 2 pair of 2 and 1 pair of 3 exist and no other factor is left. Hence 144 is a perfect square number. Understand what is perfect square number and what is square of a number? I think you understand. Okay, so because of your exam, we will going very slowly. Okay, so today we are going to stop here. Means what is square? When a number is multiplied with itself, the product is called the square of that number. Okay, understand? And what do you mean by perfect square? A natural number is called a perfect square of a square number if it is the square of some natural number. Understand? Okay, if a prime number, the prime factor exists only in pair of identical factor, then the number is a perfect square, otherwise it is not a perfect square number. Okay, understand? Let's talk about if I talk about 27, what is the factor of 27? Okay, It is a factor of 27. But here 3 is only one pair is 3 we get, but 1 3 is a single, so it is not a perfect square number. And another word we can see this, here it is a 7, and we know that if one's place is 2 3 7 and 8 at unit place, that is a not a perfect square. Okay, understand? So now this is your chapter this is your chapter 6, that is square and square root. What is square? What is square number? That means in general, if a natural number m can be expressed as n square, where n is also a natural number, where m is a square number. Okay, or you can say that if x is any number, then x into x you can write it is x square. Okay, where x is the base of the number and 2 is the power. Okay, understand? So this is square of a number. What is the square of a number and what is perfect square of a number? Okay, have a good day.